Current roundabouts in Carson City are only single-lane roundabouts, whereas the design for the South Carson Street and Stewart Street intersection is a multi-lane roundabout. This roundabout is intended to reduce traffic delays and, most importantly, improve traffic safety. So, how do you use a multi-lane roundabout? Here's how. When entering a roundabout, be sure to pay close attention to the signage. Know which lane to use before entering. You must yield to traffic before entering. Look to your left. If there's traffic clearance, proceed to go through. With multi-lane roundabouts, drivers must yield to both lanes. If you are going to turn left or make a U-turn, stay in the left lane. If you are planning to make a right turn, stay in the right lane. Most importantly, stay in your lane. Always yield to pedestrians on both the entrance and exit approach. If an emergency vehicle is entering a roundabout, exit at your destination and pull over immediately. Never stop or pull over in the roundabout.